Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. When a new lead or request comes in, every second counts. If you're still manually reading every form submission just to forward it to the right department, you're losing valuable time and potentially customers. With smart form notifications, you can create automated workflows that do the heavy lifting for you. Let's set up your first one. The magic starts with your form questions. In this example, we have a question asking the respondent which department they need to reach. This choice acts as the trigger that tells our add-on exactly where to send the notification. In the Smart Form Notifications sidebar, simply create a new workflow. It's as easy as an if-then statement. Under the Conditions tab, we'll tell the add-on, process this workflow only if department equals sales. Then, in the Email Template tab, set your sales team's email as the recipient. You can add as many independent workflows as you need for support, billing, or HR, ensuring the right data always reaches the right eyes. The result? Your leads are routed the second they hit submit. Your sales team can jump on new opportunities instantly, while your support team stays focused on their own tickets. No more bottlenecks, no more missed emails, just pure, automated efficiency. Stop being the middleman, and let your workflow do the talking. Install Smart Form Notifications from the Google Workspace Marketplace today. Visit gwaddons.com to supercharge your business automation.